Children, meet your new nanny, Fraulein Pudding.
Das ist her. Nazis.
Meet the Von Trapp family, Liesel, Friedrich, Louisa, Kurt, Brigitte, Martha, and Gretel.
Damn! Did your wife have a or a cannon?
Their mother is dead.
Oh, my condolences. Shithead!
Learn their names by tomorrow.
Slutbutt, shitsack, scrubboat, lick, fart knocker, ham slam, and mommy killer.
Close enough.
The is with this cheap-ass Pioenscheiter? Captain Von Hyde the silver up his butthole thinks I'm gonna raise his snot-nosed spunk deposits?
Fräulein Pudding, we're scared.
Me too, pussy. Know what I like to do when I'm scared?
Sing?
Yes, sing. Scrote, a word I like to say. Taint, a word I also use. Hairy balls and crusty snatch. All throw in a slinky crease. Damn! Who passed out sheet music? Bass, teabanger, and jag. Bud munch, hanging, dangle, fag. Drippy, waving, model slang. And that brings us back to scrote, 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 scrote. If you were searching for a spoon, here we go. Everything right. Scrote, 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 scrote.